Right, so welcome to this workshop on multimodal AI. This workshop has been co-organized with the University of Oxford and funded by the Alan Turing Institute. Multimodal AI is about combining multiple types of data and using machine learning algorithm models to improve and get better performance. It is a very common task in healthcare, in net zero, or in finance, and also in manufacturing and many other problems. There are multimodal AI problems. One of the key challenges in multimodal AI is basically the data are very complex because of multiple modalities. There are many challenges are very unique to multimodal AI problems. And on the other hand, there are quite limited availability of labeled data where machine learning performs the best. And on the other hand, we see there are great opportunities rising. The unimodal AI has been maturing like ChatGPT and segment anything. We see many of the low-level tasks has been largely solved. And multimodal AI is emerging as a very important and hot topic that will become more and more relevant in our research. So the objective of this workshop is firstly community building, right? Because as I said, multimodal AI is relevant to many different areas, different fields, different sectors. Therefore, we need a community to be built to work on it together, right? Rather than separately. Secondly, knowledge sharing. Nowadays, I think the knowledge has been vast and appearing at a very fast pace. So I hope this can be a forum where we can share our knowledges and more efficiently and more effectively. And third is engagement. We do want to have a very engaging community where we have offered many opportunities for the participants, for example, to give pitches, and we have networking forum for us to have more interactions and particularly more in-person interactions. I think that's particularly important for innovation, for overcoming those challenges. Ethics and responsibility that have become more and more important because we now start to think about how to use AI in the real world, where it will have a bigger impact over our real life. Therefore, ethics of AI and responsibility have become more and more important. The EU have passed the first law on EU regulation. So we are seeing more and more of these kind of things coming. And lastly, cross-disciplinary collaboration, because multimodal AI, many of the problems are highly interdisciplinary, right? Because multimodal involves many different parts of different modality, and different stakeholders need to come together and collaborate to move this field forward. We are very fortunate to have three keynote speakers from academia research, from industry research and industry application to talk about various perspectives of multimodal AI. I thank the keynote speakers very much for joining us and share their knowledge with us and interact with us. We have 125 participants, and this is a word cloud of the affiliation. And we see, yes, Sheffield have many colleagues and students coming forward, but we also see people from other places like University of Oxford, Imperial, Genomic England. We have visitors also from Brazil. We have people flying from Italy, from Sweden, and it's very encouraging to see such a diverse community coming to our workshop for the first time. And this is a word cloud of the titles of the pitches. We have about 15 pitches and 20 posters. There'll be 5 of them are overlapping. And you can see a multimodal, acoustic, imaging, music. We can see it's a very diverse range of topics. And we also want to understand our participants, so we can see that students are 44%, almost half of our participants are students, and we also have research staff in academia and academic staff in academia. These are, I think most of our audience are still from academia. So in the future, we hope more participants from industry and from non-profits and even from government can join us to work on multimodal AI. So to make this opening more multimodal, so I think I should not only speak, but I need to add one more modality for us to basically imagine the multimodal AI, right? So one of the reasons we come to this research field is really because we can imagine stuff and also realize them, right? So therefore, I think I will end my opening with different modality of presentation, which is a song, right? So I think you can guess who helped me to write this song, right? So I try to sing it, right? So, okay, deep breaths. Imagine there's no silos. It's easy if you try. You can sing along. No data stuck alone in AI's boundless sky. Imagine all the people sharing data today. Imagine no ethical concerns. I wonder if you can. Healthcare never finance and more. A unity of humankind. Imagine all the people shaping AI's plan. You may think I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Today we are all here together, and the world will be AI's one. All right.